Today we ran a workshop on our bodies, our rights, our lives. I'm putting together a mural for RMIT that's going to feature a whole lot of drawings done by students and focusing on how much we love and appreciate our queer bodies.
I love to use my body as a canvas for self-expression.
In our workshop today, we did a few drawing exercises before we went right into drawing ourselves and drawing each other. And then we also wrote a letter to ourselves and our bodies and picked out some favorite words and phrases describing our bodies and how much we love and appreciate them.
Truthful,
unique,
ever-changing,
love,
happier,
trust,
comfortable.
And all of this is gonna be put together into a mural for the stairs on Western Street. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. It was a really beautiful workshop.